Rounding off to nearest tens. Here we have a chart of numbers. Let us see how to use this chart to understand easily rounding off to nearest tens or estimating to nearest tens. See, for rounding off to nearest tens, we have to consider the last two digits, tens digit and ones digit only. Okay. So we have chart of two digit numbers. See the first row of numbers. It starts with 0. 5 is the mid value. See, mid value. Mid value means middle value of 0 and 10, which means half of 10. Okay, we have 10 numbers here from 1 to 10 or 0 to 9. The middle value is 5. 5 is at equal distance to 0 and also to 10. So it is called middle value or mid value. 15 is the mid value of 10 and 20. 25 is the mid value of 20 and 30. 35 is the mid value of 30 and 40. 45 is the mid value of 40 and 50. 55 is the mid value of 50 and 60. 65 is the mid value of 60 and 70 and so on. Okay. Now, if you have numbers from 0 to 4, you round them off to 0. You round them down to the least value 0. That's why it is called rounding down to 0. See, 0 to 4 or less than 5, less than mid value, less than middle value. So they are rounding down to 0. What about 5 or greater than 5? See, 5 is middle value, so it should be rounded off to 10. And all other numbers greater than 5 should be rounded off to 10. Since they are rounded off to their greatest value, we call it as rounding up. Rounding up to the maximum value 10. 4 lies between 0 and 10 and it is less than the middle value 5. So we round down 4 to 0. 7 lies between 0 and 10. It is greater than mid value 5. So we round it up to 10. Is it clear now? Let us see some other numbers. 33. 33 lies between 30 and 40. 33 is less than 35. 35 is the mid value of 30 and 40. 33 is less than 35. So we round down 33 to 30. Okay. We are rounding off, but we say this as rounding down to the least value. Okay. What about 39? It is very clear it is closer to 40. Yes. 39 lies between 30 and 40. It is greater than the mid value 35. So 39 should be rounded off to 40. 62. 62 lies between 60 and 70. It is less than the mid value 65. So it is being rounded off to 60. 46. It lies between 40 and 50. What is the mid value? 45 is the mid value. So this number is rounded up to 50. Now 84. It lies between 80 and 90. Mid value of 80 and 90 is 85. 84 is less than 85. So 84 is being rounded down to 80. Okay. 88. 88 also lies between 80 and 90, but greater than the mid value, so it is rounded up to 90. 99. It lies between 90 and 100. It is greater than 95, so it is rounded up to 100. What about 100? 100 itself is in tens only. So 100 is rounded to 100 itself. See, you can use this chart to round, whether to rounding down or rounding up to nearest tens. Thank you for watching.